This customer called us with a failed sewage ejection pump. These tend to be messy jobs, and this one is particularly difficult as it's in such a confined space under a staircase. Start by unplugging the old pump and removing the cover. Then disconnect the couplings to free the pump. With the pump free, it is lifted out of the tank. Now that the pump is easier to access, we remove the old pipes and install them on the new pump. With the pump prepped, we remove the old check valve. This is a messy job, so be sure to clean up the spilled wastewater. Next, we start prepping for the new check and ball valve by gluing up a coupling on a PVC pipe. Give at least 20 minutes for the newly glued pipe to cure. While we wait, we attach the piping to the pump and seal the lid. With the pipe and valves prepped, they are installed. Now plug in the pump and this job is complete. If you have a project like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.